little bit of an issue.
Yeah.
With something you said, comparing yourself to averages is some feminine shit. I'd say that's a weak mindset. I wouldn't say that as a feminine mindset. Maybe women might have a tendency to do it more, but I wouldn't say that that's a feminine thing.
The only reason I say that it's a feminine thing is because of what you just said. Women tend to do it more. So if women tend to do something more, it would incline someone to believe that it's more of a feminine thing to do. Do you get what I'm saying?
Okay. Whether or not it would incline someone to believe that it's a feminine thing because women have a tendency to do it, would you argue that that makes it correct?
Would I argue it makes it correct? It doesn't matter if it makes it correct. It is what it is. Women tend to shave their legs because they don't want hairy legs. Now, if you caught your boyfriend shaving his legs all the time, you'd be like, rah, that's what girls do. It would look feminine, wouldn't it?
Now, shaving legs is a bad example because maybe in Western culture, which we know is, how do I say this? Western culture is quite evil and out of touch. No, I can't use that such a heavy word for it. But Western culture, shaving your legs is something that you need to do to be feminine. But
what, are you not gonna shave your legs? Are you not shaving your legs?
I don't always shave my legs, no.
Is it?
And I'm feminine. It is.
Raw. So what, you like to have hairy legs?
I like to grow the natural hair on my legs, I do. And that is actually, if you look into like ancient yogic culture, growing your hair as a woman is actually feminine because every hair on your body has a reason why it grows. So, yeah. I'm not saying leave it to go rolling crazy all the time, but yeah. Anyway, so my point was is that
go on.
If like you were saying, men are turning more feminine, like you said, does that mean that men are now women?
Bro, like at the end of the day, yeah.
So
if there's a thing that women are more predominantly, if there's a behavior that women tend to always display, like way more than men do, yeah, and seem to be more and seem to be more interested in that way more than men are, by proxy, it's gonna turn feminine, bruv. It's gonna turn into a feminine thing. Yes, it is, bruv. Like what? So I don't understand how you're not getting what I'm saying, blood. If women tend to do a certain thing more, yeah, it's going to go that direction of being a feminine behavior, trait, practice, whatever. Okay, for instance, women paint their fingernails. Yeah, if your boyfriend, yeah, he was starting to put nail varnish on his nails, on his fingernails, yeah, would you think that's a bit feminine?
If so, look at Kourtney Kardashian's boyfriend.
No. Answer the question.
It depends on what was the question?
You wasn't listening, mate. What's going on? Listen. If you caught your guy, yeah, putting nail varnish on his fingernails, yeah, would you think that's feminine?
Depends what kind of guy he was. If he was a goth, not
fam. You're trying to make it complicated when it don't need to be. If your guy was just a regular guy, bro.
Kind of man.
If he was a regular, you like black guys, right? If he was a regular black guy.
If he put on clear nail varnish? What if he went to go and get a pedicure? I'd say he looks after himself.
I never said pedicure. I said exactly what I said, and you're changing what I'm saying. Like,
okay, if it was clear nail varnish, if it was black and he was trying to do a goth thing, I'd say whatever. If it was pink, I'd question him. But
You're chatting so much shit.
I'm not.
What are you talking about? I said it very clear. If the guy was putting on nail varnish, bruv, now you're trying to look for a way to wriggle out of it. Blood, if he was putting on nail varnish, you're going to be like, raw. Why are you putting on nail varnish, bro? Huh?
Yeah, and if it was black and he was doing the goth thing, I'd say, okay. And if it was clear and he was trying to strengthen his nails, I'd say, okay. If it was pink, though, I might question it.
You might.
What's that about?
Might. Did you say might?
Okay, but are you ignoring all the other facets? This is
Okay, let me ask you this. Do you date goths? Do you date goths and emos?
I've never met a goth or an emo.
So why are you bringing them into this scenario when you just said you've never met them?
do I date men that put on nail varnish?
Can you hear what I'm saying to you?
I don't get your point.
No, all you gotta listen, to make it simple, all you gotta do is hear what I'm saying and just answer what I'm saying. Don't add extras into it. Yeah? At the end of the day, because I know you date black guys, regular black guys like moi, yeah? If your guy, you came just all out of the blue, you saw your guy putting pink nail varnish on. Now I've made it even more specific. Pink nail varnish on his fingers.
There you go.
Yeah? What would you think?
I'd say, why have you got pink nail varnish on?
Exactly. And why are you even asking that question?
Because I'd be confused as to why they had it on.
Yeah, why would you be confused?
Because
this is very easy. You're acting like this is hard, bro. Go on.
I'm not. I'm confused. Like I know that he wouldn't wear nail varnish, so why I'm confused. Why you would think I wouldn't be confused? Why do women wear nail varnish?
No, but I'm saying, why would you? What would make you think, raw? Why is this guy putting on nail varnish?
Because what women wear nail varnish to attract men.
It's not even necessary to attract men. It's something women do.
To attract men.
Okay, but it's still something. Okay, it don't matter why. It's what women do, blood. Right?
The why is everything. But why do?
But it's what we, bro. Like you're making it more complicated. It's what women typically do.
Get to it.
The point is that it's a feminine thing.
No, my point is that you're using the word wrong.
Bro, oh my.
To be fair, it's a semantic. That's not my definition of femininity. When you use that word in that way, you are going against what you say you want. So you want women to be less masculine and to be more feminine and to be nicer and to not.
I'm not telling women what. I'm not actually telling women what to do, blood. I just speak the reality.
You make a point.
I just speak the reality. Hold on. I just speak the reality and say it how it is. I don't tell no one what to do. Like if women want to run around and act like they're guys, then good luck to you. You're gonna need a lot of good luck.